Hello everybody, Tom Arnold, Remax Realty, Vacaville, California. Happy St. Patrick's Day to you. I'm here doing an open house at 470 Blakemore Court, Fairfield, California. And it's a beautiful home we just listed. Let's go inside and take a look around. You're probably thinking, Tom, aren't the interest rates still a little too high? Well, yes, they are. But like I've told you in my other videos, my good friends at Home Guide Mortgage have a great new product called Rebound. You get in today at maybe a little higher interest rate. If the rates drop within 0.5% within 6 months, you can refinance for free. There's no need to wait to buy a home. If you're looking for a home this year, contact me, Tom Arnold, Remax Realty. We're going to get you refinanced. We're going to get you into a home that you're going to love this year. If you like this video, please hit that like button and that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.